adventure, we're going to be reading Goodnight, Exomoon, an astronomical parody. Goodnight, Exomoon, an astronomical parody by Kimberly K. Arkin, pictures by Kelly Kennedy. In the great telescope room, there was a telephone, an astromophoric balloon, and a picture of a satellite flying by the moon. And there were 3 little astronauts sitting with monitors. 2 little interns and a pair of emergency lanterns and a little toy comet and something atomic. And a pin and a micrometer and even an accelerometer. And a quiet old scientist who was whispering, globular. Good night, room. Good night, exomoon. Good night, satellite flying by the moon. Good night, light and the astromophoric balloons. Good night, astronomer. Good night, monitors. Good night, interns. Good night, lanterns. Good night, clocks and good night, meteor racks. Good night, telescope and good night, finder scope. Good night, pen and good night, micrometer. Good night, nobody. Good night, accelerometer. And good night to the old scientist whispering, globular. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, space science everywhere. The end.